So friend, today we are going to discuss the new topic of partial derivative, that is differential formula for finding the approximate value of the function. See, this is the differential formula by which we can find the approximate value of any function. Now see, what is this differential formula? This is given by f of a plus h b plus k. This is approximately equal to f of ab plus h fx at ab plus k fy at ab. This formula, it is called the differential formula for finding the approximate value of any function. So see, what is this formula? This is given by f of a plus h b plus k. This approximate value, it is given by f of ab plus h fx at ab plus k fy at ab. Where what is this fx at ab? Fx at ab means the partial derivative of f with respect to x, and what is this fy? This is the partial derivative of f with respect to y. Now see, this differential formula, it contains three functions. There is a function f, there is a function fx, and this is our third function fy. See, this differential formula contains, there is one function f. From given function f, we can find this partial derivative fx at xy and partial derivative fy at xy. So this differential formula contains three functions. There is a function f. From function f, we can find the partial derivative fx and fy. So in all, there are three functions, and there are four functional values. F at ab, this is the first functional value. F of a plus h b plus k, this is second functional value. Fx at ab, this is third functional value, and fy at ab, this is the fourth functional value. So see, this differential formula contains three functions, f, fx and fy, and there are four functional values. F of ab, this is the first functional value. F of a plus h b plus k, this is the second functional value. Fx at ab, that is third functional value, and fy at ab, it is the fourth functional value. So by using this formula, we can easily find out the approximate value of any function. So let us take the example. So write down first example. Write down the example. Find the approximate value of the function. So this is our numeric function 3.9 bracket square into 2.05 plus 2.05 bracket cube. Now see, what is this example? In this example, we want to find out the approximate value of this given function. Now what is our function? This is 3.9 bracket square into 2.05 plus 2.05 bracket q. Now by using calculator, we can easily find out the exact value. By using suppose calculator, we can easily find out the exact value. Okay, what is 3 point bracket square into 2.05 plus 2.05 bracket q. Now what is our example? We want to find out the approximate value of this function by using the differential formula. By using the differential formula, by using the derivative formula, we can easily find out the approximate value of the function. So see what is this formula, differential formula? F of a plus h b plus k. This approximate value can be given by f of ab plus h fx at ab plus k fy at ab. This is the differential formula for finding the approximate value of any function. So see, this differential formula, it contains three functions f. From f, we can easily find out fx and fy, and there are four functional values. So first of all, we write the given function. So write down the solution. So write down the given function. Let f of xy is equal to, now say what is this given function? This function, it is look like x square y plus y cube. If it is, suppose this is a x and this is y, so what is this function? This is x square y plus this is the same function, so it will be y cube. So write down the given function. This is x square y plus y cube. Now from given function f, now first of all find out the partial derivative fx and the partial derivative fy at xy. This is our given function. What is the given function? This is just like x square y plus y cube. Now from given function, first of all find out the partial derivative with respect to x. So how to find out this fx? Differentiating this f partially with respect to x by treating y constant. See what is the meaning of partial derivative fx? The partial derivative fx means differentiate this function f. We have to find out derivative of this f partially with respect to x. So just find out derivative of x alone by keeping y as a constant quantity. So y, this is constant, and derivative of x square, this is 2x, plus y cube, this is the constant quantity, so derivative of constant will be 0. This is derivative with respect to x means we have to keep y as a constant quantity, so this is nothing but this is equal to 2xy. Now find out next derivative. Differentiating f, so find out derivative of this function f partially with respect to y means keeping x as a constant quantity. So x square, this is constant, derivative of y, this will be 1, plus derivative of y cube, this is 3y square. So this is nothing but x square plus 3y square. So say this is our first step. First of all, identify the given function. What is the given function or what is the required function? This will be x square y plus y cube. So from given function f, first of all find out the partial derivative fx at xy and the partial derivative fy at xy. Now this differential formula, it also contains the term a plus h and b plus k. So first of all, assume these numerical values a plus h and b plus k. So write down the numerical values. Now let us suppose that this is our a plus h. Now this is near about 4. 3.9 means it is very near to 4. So let us take a is equal to 4 and let us take h equal to remaining quantity. So what is the remaining quantity? This will be minus 0.1. So if we add this total quantity a plus h, so a plus h will be 3.9. So this is suppose our 3.9 means it is our a plus h. So what is our a? This is near about 4. So let us take a equal to 4. And what is h? H means the remaining quantity. It will be minus 0.1. Now let us suppose that this is our b plus k. So what is our b? Now this is near about 2. This is near about 2. So let us take integer b is equal to suppose 2 and k is equal to, it is the remaining number, it is 0.05. So what will be b plus k? B plus k will be 2.05. So this is our next step. First of all, take the given function. What is our required function? This is x square y plus y cube. From given function a, find out the partial derivative fx and fy, and let us select some numerical values. Now let us find out the 4 functional values. This differential formula, it contains the 4 functional values. F of b plus h, f of a plus h, b plus k. This is equivalent to f of ab plus h fx at ab plus k fy at ab. So this is the differential formula by which we can find out any approximate value of the given function. So let us find out these 3 functional values. So first of all, find out this f of ab. So write down now. F of ab is equal to, this is f of, now what is our a? A it is 4, and what is our b? This is 2. So find out f of 4, 2. So use this function f, from which we can find out f of 4, 2. So f of xy will be, this is x square y. So what is x square? X square means this is 4 square. The value of y it is 2 plus y cube means it is 2 cube. So this is equal to 4 square, it is 16 into 2. 2 cube it is 8. So 16 into 2, 32 plus 8. So this is equal to 40. So value of f of ab, this is 40. Now find out the next value, fx at ab. Write down the next value. Fx at ab is equal to, fx at, what is our a? It is 4, and what is our b? It is 2. So find out fx at 4, 2. So use this function fx at xy. This is 2xy. So this is 2. X means 4 and y means 2. So this is 4 into 4. This will be 16. Now find out third functional value. Fy at ab, this is equal to fy at ab, a it is 4 and b it is 2. So use this function fy, this is x square means it is 16 plus 3 into y square means it is 4. So 16 plus 12, so this is 28. So we have found all the 3 functional values. We have found this f of ab. We have found this fx at ab, it is 16, and we have found that fy at ab, it is 28. Now use the differential formula for finding the approximate value. So write down the formula, write down. By differential, this is the formula for differential. We know that by differential, we know that. So what is the differential formula? This is the differential formula. F of a plus h, b plus k. It is approximately equal to, so what is this formula? F of ab plus h into fx at ab plus k into fy at ab. So this is the differential formula for finding the approximate value. So just put the values. So this is f of, now what is our a plus h? A plus h will be 3.9, b plus k it is 2.05, it is equivalent to, this is approximately equal to f of AB, the value of f of AB it is 40, the value of h it is minus 0.1, fx at AB it is 16 plus the value of k it is 0.05 into fy, the value of fy it is 28. So find out this approximate value. So what is our function? Our function it is 3.9 bracket square, we want to find out this value, into 2.05 plus 2.05 bracket cube, this is equivalent to, now this is our 40, 0.1 into 16, so this is minus 1.6, and 28 into 0.05, so it will be plus 1.40. So just multiply 0.05 into 28. So 28 into 5, it will be 140, and this is our decimal place 12, so this is our 1.40. So what is this approximate value? 40 minus 1.6 plus 1.40, so this is near about 39.80. So see, by using this approximate formula or by using this differential formula, we can easily find out the approximate value of any function. Write down the second example. Using differential, find the approximate value of the function under root 1.02 bracket square plus 1.97 bracket cube. So see, what is this example? In this example, we want to find out some numerical value or approximate value of this given function. Now we have seen that by using the differential formula, we can easily find out the approximate value of any function. This is the formula, or this is the differential formula by which we can find the approximate value of any function. Now say, what is this formula? This differential formula contains, this is the formula, f of a plus h b plus k. This approximate value, it is given by f of ab plus h fx at ab plus k fy at ab. So this differential formula contains three functions. There is a function f, there is a function fx, and there is a function fy. So this differential formula contains three functions, f, fx and fy. This differential formula contains three functional values. f of ab is the first functional value, fx at ab is the second functional value, and fy at ab, this is the third functional value. And there are some numerical values, a plus h and b plus k. So let us write down the given function. So write down the solution. So this is our given function. Now what is our given function? This is just look like under root. Now if we take, suppose this is a x, so this will be x square plus, let us take this as a y, so this will be y cube. So this is our given function. What is the given function? This is under root x square plus y cube. Now from given function f, first of all find out the partial derivative fx at xy. So how to find out the partial derivative fx? Differentiating this f partially with respect to x by keeping y as a constant quantity. So differentiating this function f partially with respect to x. So just find out derivative of x alone. Now derivative of this square root function, derivative of root x, it is just like 1 upon 2 root x. So first of all use this formula. Derivative of square root function, this is 1 upon 2 under root x square plus y cube. Derivative of root x, what is derivative of root x? It is 1 upon 2 root x into, according to chain rule, multiply by derivative of this inner function. So what is derivative of x square? It is 2x, and derivative of y cube, it will be 0. So this is our function fx at xy. So just cancel this 2. So what is this remaining term? This is x upon under root x square plus y cube. Now find out next derivative, partial derivative fy at xy. So differentiating this f partially with respect to y. So just find out derivative of y only by treating x as a constant quantity. So derivative of square root function, so use same formula, 1 upon 2 root x square plus y cube into, according to chain rule, multiply by derivative of this inner function by keeping x as a constant quantity. So x square, this is constant, so derivative will be 0, and what is derivative of y cube? This is 3y square. So what is this final value? This is 3y square divided by 2 under root x square plus y cube. So this is our first step. First of all, identify the given function. So this is our given function, under root x square plus y cube. From given function f, find out the partial derivative fx and the partial derivative fy. Now let us take the numerical values. Write down the numerical values. Now suppose this is our a plus h and this is our b plus k. Now this number 1.02, this is near about 1. So let us take a is equal to 1, and what is the remaining term? H means it is the remaining values, it is 0.02. B plus k, this is near about 2. So let us take b is equal to 2, and what is k? K means the remaining number, it is minus 0.03. What is our a plus h? A plus h will be 1.02. So what is our a? It is near about 1 means a will be 1 and h means the remaining quantity. This is our b plus k. Now this is near about 2. So let us take b is equal to 2, and what is the remaining quantity? K will be minus 0.03. So if you add this quantity b and k, then that will be 1.97. Now find out this functional value. So write down the functional values. Therefore, f of ab, this is the first value. So this is f. Now what is our a? The value of a, it is 1, and what is the value for b? It is 2. So find out f of ab. So find out this functional value from f of xy. So this is under root x square means it is 1, plus y cube means it is 8. So this is our root 9. So value of f of ab, this is 3. Find out the next numerical values fx at ab. So this is fx. Now what is a? 1. What is our b? It is 2. So this is equal to. Now find out this functional value from fx at xy. So this is our fx at xy. So this is our x. X means it is 1 divided by under root x square plus y cube. We have found this quantity. Under root x square plus y cube, it will be 3. So this is our 3. Find out the next functional value fy at AB. So this is fy at AB means it is 1, 2. So this is equal to. So for fy at AB, we have to use this function fy at xy. This is given by this function. This is 3. Y square means it is 4 divided by 2, and we have already find this quantity under root x square plus y cube, it will be 3. So 3 get cancelled. So this is what is the final answer. This will be 2. So see, first of all, we have taken this function f. From given function f, we have to find out this function fx and fy. Let us take these numerical numbers a, h, b and k and find out these 3 functional values. Now let us use the differential formula. So write down the formula. So write down by differential. We know that by differential, we know that. So what is this formula? This is f of a plus h b plus k. This is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fx at ab plus k into fy at ab. So this is the differential formula for finding the approximate value. So just put the values. So this is f of, now what is a plus h? Our a plus h is 1.02 comma b plus k, this is 1.97. This is approximately equal to, now f of AB, we have found this value as a 3. What is h? H is 0.02. What is fx? Fx is 1 upon 3 plus what is k? Minus 0.03, and what is the value of fy at AB? This is our 2. So this is, now what is our required function? We want to find out this value. F means our required function. This is 1.02 bracket square plus 1.97 bracket cube. So this is approximately equal to 3. Now 0.02 divided by 3. So this is near about 0.006 minus 0.03 into 2. So this is 0.06. So what is the final answer? This is given by, so what is this addition? This is 2.946. So this is our final answer. Now let us take third example. So write down the third example. Find the approximate value of the function under root 5.98 square plus 8.01 bracket square. So write down the solution. Now first of all, from given function, first of all we identify the given function. So write down the given function. Let, now what is our given function? It is just like under root. Now this is just like x square plus this is y square. So this is our given function. We want to find out the approximate value of this function. So what is this function? 5.98 bracket square plus 8.01 bracket square. So this is just like under root x square plus y square. So that is our required function. Now from function f, we have to find out the partial derivative fx at xy. So derivative of square root function, it is 1 upon 2 root x square plus y square. This is the same formula. Derivative of root x, it is given by the formula 1 upon 2 root x into, according to chain rule, multiply by derivative of this inner function. So derivative of x square, this will be 2x, because derivative of y square, it will be 0 because it is the constant quantity. Now find out the next derivative, partial derivative fy at xy. So differentiate this function f partially with respect to y. So partial derivative with respect to y means we have to keep x as a constant quantity. So first of all, derivative of square root function, it is the same formula, 1 upon 2 root x means 2 under root x square plus y square into, according to chain rule, derivative of y square, it will be 0 because the derivative of x square, it is constant quantity. So derivative of constant, it will be 0. So if we simplify this, then 2 get cancelled. So this will be x upon under root x square plus y square, and what is this term? 2 get cancelled. So this is y upon under root x square plus y square. So this is our first step. Okay, from given function, first of all, identify the given function from the given numerical values. First of all, we have to identify the given function. This is our function f. From given function f, we have to find out the partial derivative fx and fy at the point xy. Now let us take the numerical values. Write down let. Now suppose this is our a plus h, and the next numerical values, this is suppose our b plus k. Now this number, this is near about 6. So let us take a is equal to 6, and what is h? H means the remaining number, it is minus 0.02. So if we add these values, a plus h will be, so what is our a plus h? It will be 5.98. Now this is our b plus k, 8.01. So this is near about 8. So let us take b is equal to 8. And what is k? K means the remaining number, it is 0.01. So let us find out the 3 functional values. So write down the first value, therefore, f of AB is equal to f of, now what is our A? A, it is 6, and what is our B? It is 8. So this is under root. Now this is our function f. So from fxy, we want to find out this f of 6, 8. So this is under root x square means it is 36 plus y square, 8 square means it is 64. So this is root of 100, and root of 100 means it will be 10. Now find out the next value, fx at AB. This is fx at A, it is 6, and B, it is 8. So find out fx at 6, 8. So this is our function fx. So from function fx, we want to find out this fx at 6, 8. So use that function. So that is x. X means it is 6. And we have already found this quantity, under root x square plus y square. This is our under root x square plus y square, that is 10. So this is our 6 upon 10. Find out the next value, fy at AB. This is equal to fy at 6, 8. So find out from this function fy, it is y. Y means it is 8 divided by same square root. We have found this square root, it is 10. So these are the 3 values. F at AB, it is given by 10. We have found this fx at AB, it is 6 upon 10 means it is 0.6. And we have found this fy at AB, it is 8 upon 10 means it is 0.8. Now use the differential formula. So write down the formula. By differential, we know that, so this is the differential formula, f of a plus h b plus k, this is approximately equal to f of ab plus h fx at AB plus k fy at AB. So this is the differential formula by which we can easily find out the approximate value of any function. So just put the value. So this is a form. Now what is our a plus h? A plus h, it is 5.98. B plus k, it is 8.01. This is approximately equal to f of AB, it is 10, plus the value of h, it is minus 0.02. Fx at AB, we have found this as a 6 upon 10, plus k, what is our k? K, it is 0.01 into what is fy? Fy, it is 8 upon 10. So what is our f? F means the given function. So what is this function? This is nothing but under root 5.98 square plus 8.01 bracket square. This is equivalent to, this is 10 minus 0.02, and 6 upon 10 means it is 0.6 plus 0.01 into this is 0.8. So approximately equal to 10 minus 0.02 into 0.6. So this is 0.012, and this is plus 0.01 into 0.8. So this is 0.008. So if you add these three numbers, then this will be 9.996. So see, this is the differential formula by which we can find the approximate value of any function. Thank you.